Omonchumu likiribono ajide kemeronge tato chiri busina gukwani andonsia soberete ngokwaligane tumanya mangana maya senchire yoboye kirano Ensa Eyemo jabono margobali tukeri gari ya Jumatano tariki 5 mutinyo kano mwaka w'echiri bubere na mirongo ibere n'etatu na mangabereka okorekana yo siri bongo chiko sansamuranira na okomanya senchira yoboye kirano boyigona bokondra goto bwatia goetera sensemeli mtandao ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News digital na bogensemeli ya YouTube na botyo robuna Ndizi TV News ritanganike gimma tunyara mangana yo senchira yoko ya juta.
You will hear stories dwindling around that I don't know, the bullet hit somewhere is when the bullet struck William. We are saying no to that shenanigan. Justice, comrades, power.
Omworo kiwabwa kwa risasi na kukochenga kichiyokorobekana Kisumu bwa University ya Maseno mwaka wa gatatu nigane gwali tukolia Rokitutu Masabe County ya Nyamira.
Having met all the requirements of the law to achieve the said status.
Ridoreti bono tuwakinre kamati ya chorwe likurwa roboti ruwabo niko yaganirie ridoreti koba SCT.
Najua mtoto wangu anasoma vile anasoma kawaida, na kama anakuja nyumbani mwalimu ananipigia simu, anapea mtoto simu, ananiambia ongea na mtoto. Lakini hiyo siku mbona wako nipigia simu wafanye vile walikuwa wanafanya hapa awali.
Nase kyo mwana naregosere kwa kurwe skuru ya maranda kinga kante chibese kaira kanyoro mubasekano na kwa chinsemo chia mabuko skuru ya maranda ya mochiwe. Sayo mone enda mangi bono mwancho muligere na kwaliganire twemanya senchira yoboye kirano litoko bwaterana rogotera somo na bwimanyiryo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta iritirana nchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igotoko chake mesa ya mangana Amayia na somoro kya University ya Maseno William oyubona betega korosa chinga gichiyo korobekana kwa betego korobeligwana mu bwazimio wane Kenya omoro kiwo yubona orengo mwaka gatata University ya Maseno ni gobona beteka wakolisa sino munyanyimbo ekero korobekana kugwa kolekana tena niga bagako ni wali tukolia lero ase bunga ya Kitutu Masaba himeye county ya Nyamira abwasabare agate umugavana we county ya Kisumu n'urwe county ya Kisii baikera nasomo yega bwoko mweni omoroki wojo na kugania obwene bwa yego toka buno muri kitokoro se county ya Nyamira jobo maangi agotomanya.
Nigo yaba ebirero na mayanda asekenyoro kyabo gisange ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba asamatanga yoko mwenya William Mayange umworoki wa umwaka ogatatu ase University ya Maseno oyo beteka gusiria obugima bwaye asokorobekana kwa azimio la umoja. Vale no bororo omonene aboroki wa kurwase University ya Maseno nigo barera omworoki wa oyo asebate banengana yogo ichania mono.
His first year, and at this moment it's just so sad that we lost him, and we are requesting the whole nation to help us find justice for
anger we are because of what happened. William did not die in the house. William died while he was outside fighting for our rights.
Our colleague was assassinated. That was assassination. There is no point where by the law provides for a police officer to use a live bullet against a peaceful demonstrating citizen of this country.
Aborokia busiti lecturer kuruasi University ya Maseno mbagi kelia ogoicho kwaye asebateba enkeye yasirire omworoki wa oyorego chakoba oyobwenge nchomono.
The three things that all of us want. One is justice. Two is justice. And three is justice.
William was not a criminal. He died not as a bandit, not as somebody who was raiding a police station, but as somebody who was involved in peaceful demonstration.
Our department, we are saddened that such a promising life would be cut so abruptly and in a very crude manner. We share the pain of the family. We share the pain of his fellow students.
Mbagi kelia enchera obotuki bagendrete igorenganeye asebasaba eserekali kwangoya obotuki bwaye.
We want to tell our nation that we need explanations. There is no way such an act can be done and there is no action that has been taken, and yet we have been told that, you know what, whoever who shot the guy is not known. From where? Was the guy shot by an angel?